In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is the BigCommerce Page Builder and how to use it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the editor, customize your pages, add content, and safely publish your changes with confidence. First, log into your BigCommerce admin, head to your store's admin login page, and enter your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, we'll jump straight into the Page Builder. On the left sidebar, click Storefront, then choose My Themes. Under your active theme, click Customize. This opens the Page Builder editor, where you'll see a live preview of your site and a panel for settings and content. Next, choose the page you want to work on. In the top left corner, use the drop-down to switch between pages. You can choose the home page, category pages, brand pages, the checkout thank you page, content pages, or blog pages. Each selection loads with editable blocks specific to that page type, so you're always working in context. To edit existing content, hover over any block until you see the pencil icon, then click it to open the settings. From here, you can update text, swap images, change buttons and links, and refine layout, spacing, background colors, and columns. When you're happy, click Save inside the editor window. As you go, keep your fonts, colors, and tone consistent with your brand, and use optimized images for faster load times. To add new sections, click Widgets on the left. Drag a widget into the page layout where you want it to appear. Common choices include image, image plus text, button, video, carousel, product grid, contact form, accordion or FAQ, custom HTML, and rich text. After you place a widget, click the pencil icon to customize its content and styling. If you're comfortable with code, custom HTML can unlock advanced layouts. Otherwise, stick to the visual widgets for a quick win. You can reorganize your layout at any time. Hover over a section, grab the handle with the vertical dots on the left and drag it up or down. The new order is reflected instantly, making it easy to fine-tune the flow of your page. For brand-wide polish, open theme styles or styles. Adjust fonts, buttons, colors, header and footer styles, link hover effects, backgrounds, and borders. These changes apply site-wide, giving your store a consistent look without editing each page individually. Before you finalize anything, click Preview in the top right. Check how your design looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile, and pay attention to spacing, readability, and tap targets. When everything looks great, click Save in the top right, then click Publish to make your changes live. That's it. Your BigCommerce pages are updated and ready for visitors.